Hi, I am Rodley from LemTask. Today we are answering a simple question. Is remember the milk worth using in 2026? For people who like simple tools, the answer could be yes. Remember the milk does simply very well. It has so many great, easy features to follow. But before we get into that, this is Remember the Milk's homepage. For those who don't have Remember the Milk, the link is in the description below. Go get it for free. It has list based areas. As you can see, you got all your tasks today, this weekend, give to others, trash lists, personal, smart list, contact tags, location. And it makes ticking tasks off feel easy. If you like knowing exactly what's on your list, this tool delivers. Where it could feel a bit dated is how much manual setup it asks from you. More fields, more sorting, more decision before starting. It works best if you keep things lighter. This tool benefits people who enjoy routine, people who like traditional tasks lists, and people who value scalability over speed. If consistency matters more than new features, this fits well. So we're just going to add up some couple of tasks, easy, quick, simple tasks. We're just adding five or less. Let's just add four tasks here right now, just to show you how it's very easy just to schedule and scale your tasks consistently and achieving them. First task, you just add the due dates, the start dates. You add and choose a priority, how high level from 3 to 1. Then you choose in this section, you choose a list or you create a list or a tag. For me, I'm just going to put it in the work because it's related to work. The most important thing is put your work where it's supposed to be. If it's personal tasks, then put them in your personal list. If it's work related tasks, just to be safe and to have a clear direction of what you are doing based on these two topics, personal and work, you focus on. Then you just give it an estimated time. Then you just add your task. Just add a start date. You- Sorry, just click it back here. You just give the priority, which is related to. Then you just give your estimated time. Then you just add your task like that. So we're just gonna add two more just to show you how it looks at the end. As you can see, you just added four tasks, clean, simple, with structure, and it allocates how important it is, how it's not. As you can see, the priorities are there. And if you go to your today's section, you can literally see that these are the tasks that you have to be focusing on today as you planned. And if you go to your list, you will see on your work list, not your personal, your work list, you have tasks that are in your working range that need your attention today. And all of these four tasks are going to estimate a combination of 3 to 15 hours, all of them to be done. And as you can see, you have four tasks due today, and of course, it shows you how many you have completed. But with this system and structure, you can see it's very easy, it's very reliable on, and it's very clean. What's left for you to do is when it's time for you to attend your meeting, you just have to give it a tick. And once you have done, you just have to tick it and you just give it a tick so that it can go to the complete section. As you complete your tasks, you just give that a tick right here. You mark complete, just give that. Once it's complete at the end, you just give it a tick and you'll see that everything is in your complete section. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly. You can add tasks using voice. When it's time to work, you press time. Let's set up more execution. This is LemTask's homepage. If you don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you log into the link, it'll take you to their homepage where you go from here. You just get it for start it for free. And once you're here, you just sign up with your full name, email, password. If you would like with Google, you can. Then you create your account. This is LemTask's dashboard. As you can see, they have so many features to help you stay on top of your game on levels of productivity, making sure that you make your tasks faster and you execute them more quicker. So I'm just going to go to the brain dump feature right here, and I'm just going to explain the start voice feature, which I use highly the most each and every day of my life, and it has helped me schedule my work much better and much more professional. So I'm just going to make two quick examples on how I do that. Have a meeting today with my CEO. Once that is done, as you can see, it's already scheduled for me with the date like I told you to do for me. Then I just have to add my time on what time the meeting, well, on what time I'm going to have the meeting at. Then I'm just going to add my priority of how high level it is. Then it's going to be like that. Then I go back again. Check if all my tasks are done today. Then you just add the time, how high level of priority this is for you. Then you just add your task. Once you add your task, you go in your today's section, which is where the place where all of your tasks that you have to do today stay. And as you can see, it goes with very perfect order, going with the times that I have scheduled. So I've scheduled these two tasks using the voice feature. What's left for me right now is that when the time hits for me to attack the task, I go attack it. I don't attack it alone. I go to the tracker where there is a focus timer whereby it helps me focus strictly on the task at hand without any excuses. So when I scroll down, as you can see here, you have tasks you have to focus on. Then you just click the task at hand that you're going to do at that moment. Then you just press the start timer, signifying that you are starting with your task and you are doing it right now and focused on executing it. If I'm going to have any breaks along the way, short or long, it's up to me. I just press the start. Once I'm back, I just press it pause and I come back to just focusing on the task at hand. Once that is complete and I've done with my task, it's left for me just to execute with a complete tick, signifying that I have done my tasks and everything is done. So here's the simple verdict. Remember the milk is still worth it in 2026, especially for people who want a calm, familiar system. Keep the setup simple, keep the list short, and let the tools support the work. Sometimes simple tools last because they work.